stress dissolving meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. You can keep your eyes closed or having gazing into the horizon. Breathe into your abdomen. Now inhale deeply and exhale longer. With each breath, you let the tension drop. With each breath, you relax more. Allow your body to be safe. And last time, breathe out and let any unwanted tension dissolve from you. Now, scan your body from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet and see if you can find any tightness or any areas that you don't have access right now. When the energy doesn't flow freely, it could be your shoulders, it could be your jaw, it could be your chest. With each exhalation, allow your body to relax even more. To soften the areas where the tension is built. This is your time. You are safe to let go what is no longer serving you. As you continue your breathing, as I continue you letting go, notice any shift, any places where you feel that you have access that wasn't there before. How your breathing becomes softer without tension. with an extreme sense of ease and flow. You can get there at any time. Now, take the final two breaths into your abdomen and like a snow shaking that's been shaking, feel the energy from your head settle into your heart and the energy from your heart settle into your abdomen or lower dantian and abide and rest and the feelings of ease. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, open your eyes, and continue with your day.